Now let's add appliances to the design. Design Flex allows you to place appliances from several sources, including local catalogs, manufacturer catalogs, and the cloud browser. For this example, we'll use the cloud browser to add appliances from Sub-Zero. Enter the catalog name in the catalog search bar. Then click the filter icon and select Refrigerators to narrow your results. Once you've found the appliance you'd like to use, simply drag and drop it into the room and position it against the desired wall. To view additional options, right-click the appliance and select Attributes. Then, click Cloud Configurator to customize the item. Depending on the appliance, you may be able to adjust dimensions, finishes, and other available settings. Next, let's add a hood. Update the filter to display hoods, then drag your selected hood above the range in the floor plan. As your design evolves, appliances can be moved, edited, or replaced at any time. Simply right-click an item to access its available options. Once your appliances are in place, save your design and continue to the next lesson.